Dr. S.K. Joshi is a family physician here in Juhu. He is one of the foremost family physicians I have seen in educational activities. He has been the past president of Indian Medical Association and is extremely enthusiastic in all things academic. Dr. S.K. Joshi has chosen as his subject pain management. Dr. Joshi, we'll start the countdown timer now. How many milligrams of diclofenac are present in 1 ampule of 3 cc Voveran?
75.
Is correct. Amongst NSAIDs, selective COX-2 inhibitors cause less gastropathy. Name the COX-2 inhibitor that is available in the strengths of 60, 90 and 120 milligrams.
Itori.
Itoricoxib is, I'll give it to you. Which international organization recommends the use of analgesic ladder for cancer pain and has coined the terms by mouth, by the clock, by the ladder?
Pass.
This is a true or false question. All formulations containing aceclofenac and paracetamol or nimesulide and paracetamol have recently been banned. True or false?
True.
Correct. This is a true or false question too. Diathermy is contraindicated as a part of physiotherapy in patients with pacemakers. True or false?
True.
Correct. Diclofenac suppositories can be used in adults with pain who are vomiting. A popular brand of diclofenac suppository is Jonac, available in 2 strengths, 12.5 milligram for in pediatrics. What is the adult strength?
25.
Incorrect. Amongst these 2 antidepressant groups, which group is more effective against neuropathies? SSRIs like sertraline or SNRIs like duloxetine? For neuropathy.
SSRIs.
Incorrect. What is the lowest starting dose of amitriptyline recommended for painful neuropathies?
10 milligram.
Is correct. Which drug used as a nasal spray helps relieve pain of osteoporotic vertebral fractures? Nasal spray drug.
Miacalcic spray.
I'll give it to you. Pregabalin tends to cause constipation. Gabapentin tends to cause diarrhea. The lowermost available strength of pregabalin is 50. What is the lowest available strength of gabapentin?
100 milligram.
Correct. The headache of temporal arteritis, the periocular pain of cluster headache and the podagra of gout all respond well to which one type of agent?
Steroid.
Correct. Celiac axis block involves ablation of the celiac nerve plexus using radiofrequency or alcohol. What is the commonest malignant indication? Celiac axis block.
CS stomach.
Incorrect. What is the name of the method of physical therapy which believes that pain that has spread to the periphery, example sciatica, should be centralized using exercises? What is the name of this method?
Pass.
What is the difference in content between Crocin Advance and Crocin Pain Relief?
Crocin advance is 650. Crocin regular is 500.
Incorrect. Chlorzoxazone, methocarbamol, carisoprodol act on pain via what mechanism?
Central muscle relaxation.
Is correct. We'll give it to you and your score is 9 out of 15. He of course gave some brand names which we allow family physicians readily because Itoricoxib is, I think he said some other brand.
Itori. To save the time.
WHO is the organization which has given the pain ladder, the pain management ladder. Diathermy is contraindicated in pacemakers. He said that SNRIs like duloxetine are more used for painful neuropathies, not SSRIs. He said calcitonin ka one brand, Miacalcic, which is correct. And cancer of the pancreas and not stomach is the commonest indication of celiac axis block. The physical therapy which centralizes pain is called McKenzie method. And between Crocin Pain Relief and Crocin Advance, Advance is 500 milligrams. Pain Relief has caffeine. That is the difference between Pain Relief and Advance. And Advance is 500, sure. Crocin Advance is 500 milligrams. Crocin Pain Relief is 650 milligrams with caffeine. Correct. And yeah, anything else I missed? The last question was chlorzoxazone, methocarbamol and carisoprodol are what type of pain relievers? They are all muscle relaxants.
Centrally acting.
The pain ladder is WHO.
WHO.
They have this 5-step thing, and now 3 of the steps are by mouth, by the clock and by the ladder. Ladder means paracetamol first, morphine last. Okay, so he scored again 9 out of 15. Joshi, your general knowledge round, and your timer starts now. What is the daily adult dose of azithromycin in enteric fever? 500 OD or 500 BD?
BD.
Correct. In Loeffler syndrome, the syndrome is due to larvae of roundworms. Tropical pulmonary eosinophilia is due to larvae of what?
Wuchereria bancrofti.
Correct. What is the most common oral manifestation of AIDS?
Oral thrush.
Correct. Which endocrine disorder is the commonest cause of infertility in women?
Please repeat.
Which endocrine disorder is the commonest cause of infertility in women?
Mumps.
Incorrect. In which disease does one hear coarse crepitations called Velcro rales?
Pass.
Wet beriberi, dry beriberi and Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome are all manifestations of which vitamin deficiency?
B1.
Correct. What is the minimum duration of antibiotics in treatment of uncomplicated UTI in children? Minimum duration.
10 days.
Correct. An AHI of more than or equal to 5 is suggestive of OSA. What does the abbreviation AHI stand for?
Please repeat.
An AHI of more than or equal to 5 is suggestive of obstructive sleep apnea. What does the abbreviation AHI stand for?
Pass.
Injection Acnil contains how many milligrams of paracetamol in its 2 ml ampule?
2 ml, 300 ml.
Correct.
300.
Tamoxifen reduces the risk of cancer of the contralateral breast. It, however, increases the risk of another cancer. Which?
Endometrial cancer.
Is correct. Which aminoglycoside is available as a 300 milligram in 3 ml injectable formulation, can be given intramuscular in the OPD? Aminoglycoside 300 milligram.
Capreomycin.
Incorrect. Which vitamin is one of the constituents of antiemetic doxinate used in pregnancy?
B6.
Correct. Name the bisphosphonate which is used in a dose of 5 milligram IV once a year in the prevention of fractures in osteoporotics. Bisphosphonate once a year.
Zidamunate.
In,
Zidam.
I'll not. No.
Zidansatron.
Incorrect. Which of these three is the cheapest brand of nitrofurantoin? Niftas, Martifer, Niftran. Cheapest brand of nitrofurantoin?
Martifer.
Is correct. Which antihypertensive drug group is also used to prevent recurrent renal calcium stones? You can answer.
Hydrochlorothiazide.
Is correct. We had 15 questions. How many answers? 10 correct out of 15. Thank you, Dr. Joshi. I'll give the correct answers. Total correct answers were 19 out of 30. Just give you the correct answers. Endocrine disorder, commonest cause of infertility in women, PCOS or PCOD. Velcro crepes or Velcro rales are heard in ILD or IPF. Apnea hypopnea index is the full form of AHI. Netilmycin is the name of the aminoglycoside given in the OPD, 300 milligrams per day. And zoledronate is once a year osteoporosis drug. And Martifer, he said correct. Yeah, okay.